Hey, what's up, guys? What's up? What's up? What's up? I'm feeling a little full because I had lunch a while ago. So we're here. This is Traveling Eddie, and we're going places. And I'm just a little heavy right now, feeling a little tired because I ate too much. So that kills the digestive system. Not kills it. It places a big burden, a big drain on the energy. So that's why I'm feeling a little out of it from my normal self. We are here in Polanco, the Richy rich neighborhood in Mexico. Richy rich meaning the kids that are children of the rich. So let's go. Let's see what it's all about. I mean, it has nice shops that sell expensive stuff like this Buddha here. This is a shop called Otila, and they have a lot of Oriental, Eastern type of things. It's called Otila. People with their doggies out. A nice little coffee shop. Coffee. You want some coffee? 65 pesos with some type of elote bread. It's kind of like sweet in the coffee. There you go, a latte or cappuccino. Right here, Polanco. And people are rollerblading, riding a little special electric bike. Don't need to pedal sometimes you do. Got all kinds of shops around here. This is Mexico City. And check out the Mercedes-Benz dealer. Wow. This is the Richy rich neighborhood. Mexico City. You can take the metro to the Polanco metro station. This is the President Avenue something Marisc Masaryk. Yeah, right here. Presidente Masaryk Avenue here. This is the neighborhood called Colonia Reforma, Polanco Reforma. The metro station is one long street down on the other avenue called Horacio. Nice vehicles, check it out. I'm gonna get rich being Traveling Eddie, and I'm gonna buy me one of those when I retire in Colombia, something like that, so I can take my family around with me, 7 people all in all, and maybe I'll have another one. Then I'll be Richy Rich Eddie, Traveling Rich Eddie. Can you dig it? Can you feel me? I'm funny, ain't I? Sushi restaurant here, sushi. And there goes the Audi dealer over there. I love Audis too. I love that one, especially that one right over there in the window shop. Well, if the guys get out of there quickly, it looks beautiful. It looks beautiful. Sports car. Hey, look, somebody's washing my car already. Do a good job, buddy. This is a gallery called Aladdin. And look at those Persian rugs. Wow, look at that kind of chandelier. How beautiful. Wow, 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 whoopsie. An NBA shop. If you love the NBA. And look, the streets show you that there's money here. The name of the streets, Aristoteles Street. Well, the guy's not showing you his culture, just beeping. What does that do? Now these are basically restaurants, and they have that privacy so people don't bother you and everything if you're having your lunch in there or dinner. And wow, it's a nice area. Right there, there's a restaurant right there. It's called Cipriani. Must be Italian. And you can see the neighborhood's very well shaded with the trees and very nice apartments, like 2 or 3 story buildings, 4-story buildings. And the rent here goes in dollars, not in Mexican pesos. You gotta pay in dollars. Hey, look, Kev TV. Kev was talking about they got a shoe store after his name the other day, Clark's. And look at this whole avenue with the trees and that old house there. That's an old house there. Wow, back from the day. Even the Grand Cherokee vehicles, brand new, sold here. Nice. I don't know what the heck that is, but it's something. Oh, Telcel and whatever. A lot of nice areas around here. An Audi coming up. I don't want to get hit, not even by an Audi. Even though they might have a lot of money. And people that live around here are from like different backgrounds, like French, I don't know, Italian, Spanish, and the Mexicans themselves, the mix and all. They're rich. They're rich people because they're the children of the rich. That's what I understand. That's what I've been told. You got a lot of nice coffee shops and cafes down that way. I came here the other day. You saw maybe that video, but I was speaking in both languages, and now I'm just doing it in English for all the views. Look, there's a Harley Davidson right over there, and a motorcycle, and a couple of little restaurants along that street. Oh, look at the McLaren over there. Oh, wow, wow. Like I said, there's money here. Look at that vehicle. And there he goes. If you're liking this video, give it a like. Especially because you just saw that car. Give it a like because it'll help this video get out to more people on YouTube, and share it on your social media networks. It really does help. It does go a long way if you share it on your social media networks. And remember to subscribe. It's free. If you like what I'm doing, subscribe. That's how you support the channel, and you support the video by giving it a like and leaving comments. So a lot of people are enjoying their day today. The coffee shops here on a Sunday, having lunch. It's about almost 2 p.m. And even the double-deckers, if you want to take a tour all the way from the Paseo Reforma area, you can catch these tour buses there, and they do a whole circuit around the most important areas for you to see. It's very nice. Look at just this other avenue here, street that comes up. There's a nice park over there or something. I'll check it out some other time. So I'm going to end this video here in a few moments. Oh, look at the beautiful doggies coming. And this is part of Polanco. Maybe I'll do another video in a little while. Hope it's... Look at a Ducati. It's a Ducati motorcycle. Like, the money's here. You don't see that motorcycle rolling in another area of the city yet, generally. Just in these areas. There are more neighborhoods like this. This is not the only one. There's San Angel. There is San Rafael. There's Coyoacán. All of these things. So, I'll let you go for now, guys. It's been fun. I'm going to go see if I can get some money from an ATM machine. Until next time. Ooh, yeah, loving it.